they were all of extremely high caliber. It was very interesting seeing the diverse range of companies that actually submitted. So we had some that are really starting from almost paper-based systems and going through some form of PLM implementation, and then we had others in very mature industries who managed to achieve very significant improvements, again through PLM implementation. So it's extremely high caliber, extremely interesting as to how people have actually taken this technology and used it to improve their business processes. This is a very interesting question, and one of the things we've seen from our research is there's a trend towards much greater adoption of PLM within Asia. Again, what's actually driving this? We're seeing that companies need to get much cleverer at cost reduction, massive focus on productivity and efficiency improvements. And again, only so much of this can actually be achieved by sort of process improvement on the shop floor. And so those companies have gone through that. We're now seeing them have a much greater interest in terms of getting it right at the design phase, starting to look at designing those manufacturing processes, looking at how they can improve the design of the product, and again taking that whole life cycle view of for their company and of the product. I think one of the big things that companies can take away is that no matter at what stage of implementation you're at, there's always improvements that can actually be made, again through the implementation of PLM technology. I mean, one of the nominees in a very mature industry has made significant lead time reduction savings and significant cost savings through PLM implementation. Also, I think some of the other things is actually designing specific applications on top of the base PLM infrastructure for your particular company. So I think there were some very interesting examples of where companies have actually done that so as to actually almost fine-tune their requirements, but using the PLM platform as a base.